Welcome to our channel. If you need medical care but can't afford it, follow these step-by-step instructions to determine if you qualify for free health clinics. Step 1. Understand that free health clinics typically serve uninsured or underinsured individuals with limited income. Eligibility requirements vary by clinic but generally focus on financial need. Step 2. Search for free clinics in your area using the HRSA website or Free Clinics directory. Enter your zip code to find community health centers and charitable clinics near you. Step 3. Call clinics directly to ask about their eligibility criteria. Most require proof of income, residency, and insurance status to determine if you qualify for free services. Step 4. Gather required documentation, such as recent pay stubs, tax returns, proof of address, identification, and documentation of your uninsured status. Step 5. Visit the clinic to complete their intake and screening process. Many free clinics operate on specific days and hours, so call ahead for scheduling information. Step 6. Explore federally qualified health centers if you don't qualify for free clinics. These centers charge based on a sliding fee scale according to your income. Step 7. Ask about additional services offered. Many free clinics provide not only basic medical care, but also dental services, mental health support, and prescription assistance. Step 8. Check if the clinic can help you apply for health insurance. Staff at free clinics often assist patients in enrolling in Medicaid, marketplace plans, or other coverage options. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.